The 2025 Audi A7 is a luxury sports sedan that combines high-performance engineering with cutting-edge technology and sophisticated design. It carries forward Audi's signature styling while incorporating the latest advancements in automotive innovation. The exterior features sleek lines, an aggressive front grille, and sharp LED lighting, giving it a bold yet elegant presence on the road. The aerodynamic profile not only enhances its visual appeal but also improves efficiency and stability at high speeds. Under the hood, the 2025 Audi A7 offers a range of powertrain options, including turbocharged gasoline and plug-in hybrid variants. The base model is powered by a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine, delivering an impressive balance of power and efficiency. For those looking for more performance, the S7 variant boasts a twin turbocharged V6, offering exhilarating acceleration and dynamic handling. The plug-in hybrid model combines an electric motor with a gasoline engine, providing improved fuel efficiency and an extended electric-only driving range. Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system comes standard, ensuring superior traction and stability in various driving conditions. Inside, the cabin is designed to provide the ultimate luxury experience. High-quality materials, including premium leather, wood, and metal accents, create a refined and comfortable atmosphere. The driver-centric cockpit features a digital instrument cluster and a large touchscreen infotainment system with Audi's latest MMI interface. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity. Advanced voice controls and haptic feedback enhance usability, making it easier to control navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. The 2025 Audi A7 is equipped with an array of cutting-edge safety and driver assistance features. Audi's Pre Sense technology helps prevent collisions by monitoring the surroundings and providing alerts or automatic braking when necessary. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system further enhance safety and convenience. Night vision assist is available, allowing for improved visibility in low-light conditions. The car's advanced suspension system and adaptive dampers provide a smooth and comfortable ride while maintaining excellent handling dynamics. Performance-wise, the A7 is engineered to deliver a thrilling driving experience. The responsive steering, powerful braking system, and precise chassis tuning contribute to an engaging ride. The available air suspension allows for adjustable ride height, improving aerodynamics and ride comfort. Whether cruising on the highway or taking on winding roads, the A7 remains composed and confident. The rear passenger area is spacious, offering ample legroom and comfort. The fastback design does not compromise practicality, as the power-operated liftback provides a generous cargo area. The split folding rear seats further enhance versatility, making it a great choice for those who need a balance between luxury and practicality. Technology is at the forefront of the 2025 Audi A7. The latest iteration of Audi's Virtual Cockpit provides a fully digital display with customizable layouts. A head-up display projects vital driving information onto the windshield, reducing the need for the driver to take their eyes off the road. The premium Bang & Olufsen sound system delivers an immersive audio experience, perfect for music lovers. Wireless charging and multiple USB-C ports ensure that devices remain powered during long journeys. Fuel efficiency varies depending on the powertrain choice. The hybrid model offers the best efficiency, with the ability to drive short distances solely on electric power. The standard gasoline models benefit from mild hybrid technology, which improves fuel economy by recovering energy during braking. Audi has also focused on reducing emissions while maintaining high performance levels. The exterior lighting system includes matrix LED or optional laser headlights, enhancing visibility and adding to the car's futuristic appeal. Dynamic turn signals and an animated light sequence when locking or unlocking the vehicle give it a high-tech, premium feel. The 2025 Audi A7 competes with other luxury sedans such as the BMW 8 Series Grand Coupe and the Mercedes-Benz CLS. It stands out with its combination of design, technology, and performance. Audi's reputation for quality and reliability further enhances its appeal. Customization options are extensive, allowing buyers to personalize their A7 with various exterior colors, wheel designs, and interior trims. The sportier S-Line package adds aggressive styling elements, while the black optic package provides darkened accents for a stealthy look. Audi's RS7 variant takes performance to an extreme level, though it is a separate high-performance model. The 2025 Audi A7 represents the perfect blend of luxury, performance, and innovation. It is designed for those who appreciate sophistication and driving dynamics. With its advanced technology, high-end materials, and exhilarating performance, the A7 remains one of the top choices in its segment. If you are passionate about the latest cars and future automotive technology, be sure to subscribe to Next General Rides. We bring you in-depth reviews, specs, and features of the newest and most exciting vehicles on the market. Stay tuned for more updates and insights into the world of next-generation rides.